Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Millie Susan and I'm back again with a new amazing video just for you guys. And kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe, join this amazing family, share my videos, like and comment as always. For my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate your efforts. Keep pushing me, and yeah, I appreciate your efforts, guys. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest recipe ever, and that is a minji stew, minji recipe, okay, with no spices at all. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Guys, and if you're watching this video and you feel like you're enjoying it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's do this. So as always, the first thing you have to do is add the cooking oil in the pot and let it heat for some time. Afterwards, add the onions and let it cook until translucent. At this stage, go ahead and add your garlic. Then, because you are preparing your minji with some Irish potatoes, so you will add your potatoes at this stage. After doing that, go ahead and add the salt so that the potatoes can absorb the flavor, and by doing this you'll be like sauteing your potatoes. Okay, let's check on our potatoes. You can see the garlic onions have browned so well, and also the potatoes have also sauteed so well. And that's the results I was looking for. Afterwards, go ahead and add your tomato puree. You can chop the tomatoes the normal way and add them. You don't have to always blend like I do. Then for the veggies, you can use the capsicums together with the carrots, but I didn't have the carrots, so I went for capsicums. And the Rico cube, I'm gonna go ahead and add at that stage. If you watch my videos, you will notice that I love some miracle cubes in my food, so it's optional if you don't love the Rico cube. Mix everything together like so, then bring that to cook until the raw tomato taste is over. So guys, you can see my tomato puree is well cooked. And the potatoes at this stage, they may absorb all those flavors. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add my peas or minji. And remember, I did boil this earlier. So gently mix everything together like so. You don't want to break your potatoes because at this stage they're almost ready. So let the minji also absorb the flavor for 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, go ahead and gently mix that, then add some water that will help our potatoes to cook. And the reason for me cooking the potatoes at the beginning is that the minji will not overcook, but the minji will retain or maintain the green color. So that is the importance of cooking your potatoes earlier, because they won't take much time to cook. So after doing so, let that cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you can see our minji is ready to be served. And just like that, guys, we are done. Subscribe if you haven't, share my videos, like, comment. As always, give this video a thumbs up. So you can serve this with some rice, some chapatis, and enjoy your meal. So you can see the fork can easily go through, and that means it's ready. Guys, continue supporting me. Subscribe if you haven't, share my videos, like and comment. And yep, until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon, my people. Bye bye.